Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how to find your Klaviyo form ID. So let's jump right into it. Once you are logged into your Klaviyo account, start by going to the left side menu, and there you will find an option called Sign Up Forms. Click on it, and it will take you to a section where all your forms are listed. And from there you can see the forms you have already created. Now to access more details of any form, just click on the name of the form. For example, if you have a form called Newsletter Sign Up, you can click on that, and it will take you to the dashboard of that form. In the dashboard, you will be able to see useful information like how many people have viewed or submitted the form. This section is important because it helps you understand how your form is performing and whether it needs any updates. If you want to make any changes to your form, just click on the button that says Edit Form, and it will open the customization settings. Now you can change the design or functionality of the form according to your own strategy or branding needs. Every part of this process is easy to follow and helps you manage your forms better. Having access to the form ID and knowing how to use the form tools inside Klaviyo will help you improve your marketing performance and maintain strong engagement with your audience.